Hi friends, happy new year and welcome back to HBNet Agency YouTube channel once again. Well, few hours are left for the new year's to begin, but before that we can quickly design a beautiful poster in Canva to send it to our friends and family zone, so that by staying ahead also we can wish them happy new year and let's not miss the new year party. So let's start designing without wasting much of our time. Friends, I have selected a 4:5 Instagram poster size, and first of all I'll make the background of the poster. Then we'll put a lot of elements, but don't worry, don't confuse with the name of the elements because I'll be providing the name of this element in the video. So please watch the entire video and let's make the background first. So I'll click on this element, and as you can see all the elements are ready, so that I can also do the designing quickly and you will also see it and you can design it very quickly and you can also send the greetings to everybody. So I select this golden and black background. You can also do like that, and you can select anything in Canva like a golden and black background, so you will get a lot of options. For now I have selected this one, so I'll set it as a background image, and after that I'll go for selecting a shape like this, and this is called arc up shape. Okay, so I'll just position it in the center. So let's go to arrange and you can put it in the middle. Let's make it a little bit big like this, that side and this side, and I'll again make it in the middle, and I'll reduce it from here also a little bit because it's the way I want, and you will also understand that why I'm doing it. So I'll just change this color to something little bit golden, so we can go and add a color like this, or I'll just change the color combination to this one, or we can take a black one, and I will just reduce the transparency of it like this. You can make the transparency a little bit change. Also, if you want to make a border style, you can do it. I'll just increase the border little bit, let it be 4, and let's make the border color as golden one. So let's select this one, and I want to see that how it is coming. So it's coming good, right? I hope so. So let's make the transparency a little bit less and less like this. Okay, so it's coming nice, I hope. Now let's add some text like happy new year and all the options. So let's go to the text and let's add a text box. So I'll just write something inside it. So may the new year be as wonderful as you. So let's put it up above it, and I'll just increase the font. So let's go to effect and let's curve it as the way it is coming. So I'll just make sure that it is coming correctly in this format, and if you see that it's not covering up the whole, so we can increase the letter spacing like this. Okay, so now it's coming and looking pretty good. You can also go to position and you can check it in the center. So let's check this once again. So as you can see that both are placed properly in the center. Now we'll be putting like happy new year and all the things. So again I'll go to the position, let's go to layers. So let's group this up too. So let's group it and I'll just pull it down. Okay, now let's write the happy new year. So let's go to post size, add a new text box, and I'll put like happy, and although I want to make all the things capital, so I'll just increase the size a little bit like this. Also you can do it from the corner, okay, like this, and make it a little bit big. So you can also do it in this format as you want, so that you can put a proper size of it. Okay, Now let's go to position, let's go to arrange and put it in the center. Now I'll be changing the font to new icon. Okay, so this is the new icon font. You can change it. It's looking pretty good. This icon is actually looking simply a little bit modernized, and also like I'm pretty happy with this font. So I'll be putting it in the center, and let's duplicate it and let's write the new year. Okay, so new, I just want to make this as a new year, and let's see that we will make this font as new icon script. Okay, so I'll just put it like this, and now you can see all got capitalized. So I'll just again go it and I'll reduce the capitalized presence. Now I will increase the size of it. Also by dragging the corner we can increase easily the sizes, so you can also try out with this option. And I'll be putting this new year wish in the middle, and from both ends I'll reduce it so that it comes a little bit within the poster and also within the shape. So let's go to position and let's put it in the center. And this happy size also we can increase a little bit like this way, in the proper way, and we will write like 2025 inside the poster. So let's do it hurriedly, and we will put like this 2025. That is a new year, and hope this new year becomes good for each and everybody, so that all our struggles get over in this new year very soon. Okay, so let's check it out, and I'll reduce this letter spacing little bit so that it looks good. That is my intention. And also here also I'll reduce the letter spacing, because I feel that the letter spacing is huge in this case, which I don't require also. And because I have increased the in this area, so it got increased here also by default, but here I'll want to reduce it. Okay, so let's go to position and check it out, and I'll put it in the center. Okay, so let's do the other remaining part of the designing by putting beautiful elements inside it. So I'll go to position once again, and I'll click on the elements and then add this beautiful flower element, and I'll reduce the size of it like this, and you can put it and drag it up like this. Don't you feel that this flower is looking little bit whitey? So I'll go to the edit option. You can go to the adjust, and you can increase the temperature so that it can also become golden. Okay, so and it gets matched with the background color, and it's looking little bit premium in this case. So once again I'll go to position and I'll put the same designing in this case, and I'll drag it down. So I'll just reduce the size of it. Now the same design you can copy the style also, but I'll prefer to the edit option so that you can do it in a unique way, and also you can do the color adjustment according to each and element shape. Okay, so here I'm not showing the copy paste style because I prefer to do manually. And now I'll be adding some like glitters and sparkles and also some fireworks. So let's do it. So let's go to elements once more, and here is a firework which I chose. I have kept ready for you. So I'll just put it up like this, and you can put it randomly wherever you want. So I'll be putting one here. So see, I'm facing. You can, if you're not able to hold it like this, simply go to the position, go to the layer, and you can hold it like this. Okay, and I'll put it here. So in the corner, let's drag it like this, and you can also duplicate it in this format, and I'll just reduce the size of it in this way, and I will put it down, and also I'll reduce it a little bit more. Now I'll put once more, and you can put all this thing in a random selection, which you can do according to your own wish. And I'll be putting it here also one. Okay, so I'll put some glitters like this now. So let's do it. One I will put here in this case, in this format, and I'll reduce the size of it. Let's change the color and I'll put it like golden, because here everything is on a black golden background. Okay, so I'll just duplicate it once and I will just put once again, or you can put it simply here in a random format. So here we are. So I think it's all, you can put it like and drag it down in this format. Okay, or you can if you are facing the confusion between these two elements, you can just put it a little bit down and you can put this element a little bit up, so that everything comes correctly in this way. Okay, so this is the starting part and this is the end of it. Okay, so a little more thing is left. You can add the website URL or your logo. If you are posting it for your company, you can do it beautifully. So how is the designing? I hope it's pretty cool, and also you can do it very quickly, right? You can also do a lot of design inside Canva and show it as well. You can practice this at your home and send greeting to your near and dear one like this. Okay, so friends, that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our HBNet agency YouTube channel, and also share this video with your friends and family members. So thank you for watching this video guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.